and was silent from that point on.
The man was like,
Hear
these
a
idiots.
word out the bro.
The man was like, these idiots die. Let me die. I get.
My boy was committed. So I could switch between me and a FIFA.
Go na ETL?
Run away, yeah. Run away.
I don't like being
Ta-da-ta-da.
person at the back. I don't like that at all.
I don't like anybody. I don't like when I is the person at the back or at the front. Because I need one of y'all here at least. Hey, move your ass out in my face, no man.
I'm trying, man.
So shoreline, everyone. Godspeed. Godspeed. No loggers behind. The one at the back is the one that gets eaten.
No.
Lag.
I'm not gonna
I
get
blame
eaten.
lag.
I'm never gonna get eaten. I run.
I'm gonna drown because of y'all, bro.
My boy.
Wait,
My
where
boy
am
is.
Where am I? Oh, I
You're
fighting for the life. I fighting for the
Diet
life.
is right, like I said.
Itch-yo, please
Make
don't
a-
die.
Make that jump true, man.
No,
Itch-yo!
Make a
Itch-yo! Itch-yo!
What the hell?
What is my boy doing?
I try to climb up.
Bro,
You couldn't do it before?
I got you, bro. Oh shoot! no. No, I couldn't do it before. See.
What are you doing y'all
Forgot
doing?
him.
What are you doing y'all doing?
Well, my boy just took the spear out of the wall, so
Itch-yo, are you good?
no.
What is that? What is that thing over there?
I'm getting one frame.
Pelt it.
That is-
Pelt it. Oh.
Don't pelt it.
I ain't pelting
Do
it.
not pelt it.
I ain't pelting
Pelt
it.
it.
No, listen, the
Pelt
man
it.
Don't
Don't
be
left me alone. So I gonna left it alone. Who press Windows?
Wait, my keyboard. Itch-yo.
No, you see playing on 1 frame per second.
Oh. My
One frame per
keyboard.
second is generous.
It's so
Like,
It's
bad.
1 frame per whenever.
Not even per second.
Why is it
bro.
doing you so bad?
I'm watching a slideshow here.
The internet is the internet.
Okay, it's working now. So he's just stuck there.
Alfred watching ETL contemplate life right now.
Mm-hmm. You know, hold on. I'm just pressing.
Alright, switch back to me.
You just gotta feel it out,
You know,
bro.
hold on. I think I'll just leave. If you could share a screen, Antonia. Feel it out. It's not even responding to my inputs. Hold on. Let me record this just to show y'all.
No, the whole connection is over internet and is what do you think name? I forget what it's called it. Peer to peer. It's peer to peer and
Oh, we got it.
not rollback.
Where did bro go? Oh yeah, I got to be kidding me.
Wow! Alfred,
Ah.
get out of the water.
Bro, forget me, you see, bro?
It was gone again. Oh my god.
The same spot too.
Alright, climb
Ah.
up.
You know what? I'll just
Shit,
hold on.
shit.
Hold on,
Switch
Antonio,
camera.
can you share screen and I'll just watch and give you guys advice.
Alright, good. The moment I get over here.
You could just exit.
Oh.
It's just
Yeah,
Bro.
could just exit for real. Could really just exit for real.
I don't like how that
What
happened
happened?
the minute I press the start on my keyboard. On my keyboard, my controller. Game was like, no.
I think I'm hungry. I think I'm hungry. Cause get to this connection setup
I
is
know.
nice.
Here, you guys three play. You can share screen. I'll give you guys advice on how to progress.
Alright,
I'll be the
good.
backseat gamer.
I hate it. I don't like when that happen. I don't like when I play with somebody they got to be the backseat gamer. I did it before.
Wait, weren't y'all basically using me as a map last game?
Weren't you playing? Weren't you playing with us?
Yeah, but still.
Don't start.
Yeah,
Don't
change.
start.
This girl, but I tell you.
Alright.
And I work silent over again.
Afifi, you get control. You get control.
You just said don't start.
Yeah, because we got
Good.
to change the
Because-
tree.
Oh, God! Bro, how you do the same thing twice, dog?
Alright, now we got from map Sky to play we got make Sky play too.
Yep.
So just put the gamepad X input 2. He's X input 2. Good. Yeah, it is it. They should set everything.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sounds better.
Now we just kicked play 4.
Yeah.
Sorry, TL.
Is that Alfred? Alfred just sound like, oh god.
God, bro, do the same thing twice, dog.
Rename ETL. Rename ETL.
But I forget, I play what?
2.
Oh, damn.
Oh, change the difficulty thing. Just hover over to see what the settings are. I think it's what allows you to progress even if only one person survives.
Oh yeah, we need that.
Check the
Click
difficulty.
the
I think
eye.
that's what it does. I can't remember.
Yeah, click the eye. The eye. Only one
Oh,
player needs to reach.
Okay, put it on easy.
All players that are alive need to reach the shell to make sure.
Oh, we could carry people.
Oh yeah, I tried that already.
Okay, easy.
How well did that work? Mika, you remember the time I tried to carry you back?
Yep.
Yeah, that did not
We
work out.
actually on recording. We got it on recording.
Yeah, that crap did not work.
Antonio, show me the recording afterwards. I gotta see this.
Oh wait.
So I can switch between me and player 3.
It's on YouTube.
Who is
you know.
Mika?
I have it on YouTube.
Guys?
Okay, I could switch between me and Sky.
Oh no, goodness gracious.
Papa.
My controls are messed up. I have jump as B. What the heck? I'm not even gonna pretend I understand what this is. I think that's the wrong. Oh, it is right. Gamepad 2. Why does it look like Mikael controls? Jump is A. Where is X? No, there is not X. There is B. Eat is X. That should be it, right?
Alright, test
The
it.
map. I'm not gonna touch anything else.
Test it.
I don't trust.
Hold on. Antonio, just for future reference, send me a friend request on Steam so we could please draft at some other time.
Yeah. I guess not. I'm gonna send it
Everyone
afterwards.
good?
Because
Everyone good?
yeah. Because
Yep.
anything I come out, the game close. Well, it is change windows. Alright. So good. Now we get the 3V and map.
And map. Don't know. You got this map.
Kind of like not that bad.
Pardon?
Backpack.
Lose me.
On roll. Get over there. Ah.
It's like industrial complex is probably the worst.
Okay, I can
Wow.
still switch just
One
between
of
me
the
and Mika.
easiest.
No, I mean like in the beginning of the game, just getting through it.
It's not that
Mika,
hard.
can you go?
Should have said that was worse.
Yeah. For like when you want to speed run it, it's not fun. Because all the lizards.
I mean, if you really want to speed run it, you just go immediately to Chimney Canopy instead.
I have no reason to.
But
Alfred,
I
get
think the
in.
problem is this color. You know. Cause why them niggas pulling me down so fast?
You know, it's so
Eh.
funny. In the lore, there is, like, in the story of the game, there is a slug colored blue that does drown the leeches. So that's interesting.
Ah, great. Isn't that
It's your
great?
first color.
So basically, I could switch to Mikkel, and FIFA could switch this yourself. And who? Who else?
Hey, allow me spear, right? Allow me spear.
That man never snatched a spear from me yet.
Neither me. Or at least I never successfully snatch one. Never mind. Talk to you soon.
Niggas like, well, you said that? What you say, bruh?
I look like I got on a
My
sword
boy
right
took
now.
that personally.
Hey,
Bro.
Hurry up, man.
a shard, buddy, a shard.
Don't come down there. Oh
And
god. Okay.
I didn't even know you could reach. Oh, okay. Is this
How
color?
much
You
of
know,
them?
I
What the
really
fuck,
feel
much
it's
of
this
them?
color, bro.
Move,
I
Mikael.
got. Oh,
Oh
shit.
god.
Oh, damn.
Oh
Oh,
god.
damn. Oh, damn. Ah, 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 ah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That nigga strong, fight.
You'll be fine. How did you get
Let
so
go of
many?
me.
Alfred fighting
How
it.
did I
though.
wish I.
Alfred fighting it. He fighting it.
I don't even know how to help.
I try to tell the bomb, but the bomb ain't do shit.
Climb up, nigga. Ah!
Go ahead and dog. You alright?
I look like I. What a stupid water would. Yo, let
You
go
could try
of me,
climbing onto
man.
the surface that Antonio is on.
How we reaching there? The moment you go in the water, you
What am I-
drowning.
what?
If you like go in between that like little piece to the left, you could get up easier. But you gotta get there first.
Come on, bro.
You're on solid
think
ground,
it's
you're
just-
safe because the leeches will eventually fall off.
Yeah, that's cute. But we ain't on solid ground, now, are we?
There's one right to the left.
Just die, bro. Just die. We gonna meet you
I
at the
refuse.
other shelter. We got
I
eat
refuse.
anyways.
I refuse to die here.
Then find it. Oh,
Alright.
you lucky, bro. You got lucky. We'll jump over
I
now.
refuse to die.
Jump over quick.
Now
Come
get
on.
Ah, God. Oh gosh.
A little piece got killed.
Okay. Okay. That did not work as planned. Like at all.
You were so close. You're so close.
Last same piece.
Wasn't I though?
It's like
You
this
should-
one hit gets every time.
That's y'all.
Come on. All right.
Alright. Let me see how you
There we
dead.
go.
You dead.
Are you?
You dead, bro. You dead.
Bro, they gave
Incredible.
Rose, dog. They gave Rose, bro. 1 minute I'm standing, the next I'm
Absolute cinema.
dead.
Absolute
Alright.
cinema.
Change the camera. Change the
F's in
camera.
the chat. F's in the chat.
I'm not streaming.
Alright.
I'll put an F here in the
No,
show.
no.
Hold on.
Father God. Oh, Father God. Alright.
I can't release the aim. button, bro. Look how FIFA make it clean.
Yeah, because Ali Leech is too busy fight eating me, bro. Don't you think I got time for you?
We gotta eat.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Yeah, we gotta eat.
Of course, yeah. That Ali, I played this game, bro.
Let's go this
I
way.
died.
Just keep heading to the right, straight right, as far as you can.
Yeah.
FIFA,
Wait,
you know
fine.
your way around, right?
Yeah. There's a vulture. Yeah. Just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going.
What?
Don't even look at the vulture. Don't even look at the vulture. You just keep running.
Remember a shard, right?
It was your
This you
choice.
probably. That's what I'm
Okay.
saying.
I get the vague feeling someone's not gonna make it past this round.
But where's the confidence, right?
He teased the thing. Oh
you
my
gonna do
god.
fighting? You gonna go fight?
Mikey. Now you can have it. It's okay.
No, that's what I said.
Lose
That's
me.
not fight about it.
Lose me.
Let me go.
What the hell going on there?
Good, Kata.
Wait, is she getting carried or killed?
No, she's carrying it. She's using it to fly.
No.
Mikael, you best run by.
You see why
Oh my
that?
god. Can I eat this? Is you?
Well, let me try it.
Is you gonna eat this?
No,
Useless, boy.
you cannot.
Hey, lose me.
Okay. Let's just. Is there a shelter
Wait, what's
nearby?
This? What's this?
Right above you is a shelter. The upper
Above?
entrance.
Yeah, but we gotta get food though.
Loose me!
Mhm.
Why I bring this freaking hay? Go away, bro!
Star leave. These people are mad.
Guys.
I think she chose.
Incorrect.
Yo, so they coming out. Never mind.
Austin!
I already know them.
Anything that white is harmless.
Eh? Okay.
Y'all doing.
This is the challenge, getting up here. Because I can't wall
Is that
bounce.
weird looking insect
Fucking
in a
hell.
player
Alright,
We're gonna out Mikael back.
how we eating? How we eating? Let me think.
or what the? What's this game? What's this game about?
Basically surviving.
Okay.
Think it's knocked out by.
Me no was the. Me no was
You need a
the.
spear. You need a spear. There's FIFA, you need a spear. There's some popcorn plants up there.
Oh, right, okay. We don't have that. We don't have that.
Bro, you make the short man. Make it on top there. But you
Does
can't
he
even
jump
reach it.
on me? Is there a spear out here?
No,
I don't think there is.
No. You just threw at them?
Turn back! Turn back! Turn back, people!
I can't switch that. Afifa can switch this herself.
Wait, did y'all make it angry?
Mikael
Yes,
threw
they
something
did.
at it.
You know what that does? Not every single one of those would try to drown you in if you come across it.
Wait, what?
Well
Everyone never
done,
left
Mikael.
it. Ah,
You
shit.
doomed us.
Bro, I was trying to get rid of the thing in my
At
hand.
least
I
for
didn't
this
let me
cycle.
Alright. Alright, Mikael, let's go.
I get it. Bro, Alfred out mode.
Papa.
You coach colony.
What the hell? Hit.
You got this.
Oh, what the heck is that?
A white lizard. Hey, move!
There's not no white lizard by. It's a white
Wait,
jaguar or something like that. That nigga too big for a white lizard, bro.
Caramel lizard.
Okay, we get.
We don't have enough food to eat. We don't have enough food to sleep, I mean.
And we need. And them
A
plants are red.
predicament. What a predicament.
The spear there though.
Where?
You can see the spear on the right side.
What the hell?
I mean, he definitely got the pop plant.
Though, this is why I keep telling y'all.
FIFA, you need to survive.
Why y'all listen to Ichio? Huh? He's dead. He's dead.
You could have
God.
saved, bro. That's the funny thing
No,
about
but you
it.
could eat,
You
you could
killed
eat.
it.
That's
You
the
could eat, you
thing.
could eat, you could eat. Change your camera back to her. She could eat. Eat!
I need the spear.
The plant
Oh wait,
is right
yeah, there.
This girl, man.
I didn't. Your sacrifice will
Bruh,
not be
you
wasted,
so-
Mikael.
It was almost wasted. That's the funny thing
It's
about it.
Why y'all keep
Right.
putting the thing back to Mikael?
I wanna see if he can dead. I wanna see.
Fight. Good. Never mind.
Oh, you're dead. The
Alright,
fight
go
was
back
too
to
violent.
Go back to Afifa now. Go back. That man
FIFA
talks to me like a
got
rat,
switched
bro.
to herself.
Afifa.
FIFA switched to herself.
I feel
Chill.
excited for this.
We waiting
The
on.
game freeze?
No.
No, my game freeze.
Oh shit.
That's great.
Wait. My Wi-Fi.
Oh
Someone
gosh.
paused the game.
Wait.
That's so funny. Hold on. Let me push the data.
Wait. I'm moving for you. Alright, good. We in the shelter.
One single
I
soul
still
made
can't
another
see
three.
anything. I still can't see anything.
Alright, good. We waiting on a feed. I'm gonna see food ready, right? But I waiting on a feed.
GT&T can pay for its crimes.
Yeah, Nico.
Oh, I
Nico
just
has a problem with your
disconnected.
connection. Yep. We waiting on you. I'm gonna get my food.
I'm gonna
ready.
try.
Okay, from
Okay. I'll wait for Tony to accept me. Yo, Mikkel, someone has been in the Uno Club gaming room for over 40 minutes.
Oh, it's Clipchamp.
This thing's so. But this phone's so weak. Was that how it's rolling? Weird. Is Mikkel there? Please accept me. Please let me in. Mikkel gone. Okay, I'm going to be out. What is it? Okay, cool.
Alright, good. I can't hear you yet, just now. I can hear y'all now. Robin. How far are people?
Show you the other shit.
Sorry about that.
You want me dead?
No, we'll go back.
I wanted to show you the other shelter, but this stupid fat green lizard.
Well, I could distract him, I guess.
You could.
Where is it? Over there?
You don't see it?
No,
It's showing.
You don't see the lizard?
not the lizard, the shelter.
Oh, the shelter's far.
But where is it? Is it like the bottom left?
The bottom right.
The bottom right?
Yeah.
How the heck do we make it there?
Top right. No, yeah, bottom right, bottom right. You gotta. It's like a whole valley thing. You just go through.
Okay,
Yeah,
you go. You should go for it. That'd be nice if you like go for it for like a hot second.
Okay, hold on.
So, I mean, for all lizards are killed the same way, right? No matter the color?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you got different ways to kill them, but spearing is.
No, what I mean is that, like, if we pelt every lizard with a brick and then pelt it with a spear, that's what's gonna kill them.
Yeah.
Can you go now? Yes, please go now. Where the hell is Chap going? You're going. But that's bottom left.
Yeah, that's what I said.
That's not what you said. Oh no. Oh.
For a sec, let me get myself in this nook. Okay, yeah. You could try to come now.
That thing is right where Alfred needs to be. Ooh.
Oh my goodness. You should get the hell up out of there and quick. Please don't go up there.
That's coming to you.
The hell up out of there.
You.
Where is bro
We
really?
should all just die. Cause Alfred ain't reaching here.
I'm glad you know.
Alfred
That
is
is-
not reaching here.
No, you actually might because the lizard ain't come here yet.
The lizard
Yes.
is in front of the hole. Oh god. Wait. Switch back to me. Where did it go?
You're relatively okay.
Okay.
He teleported like I teleported.
Yeah. The white lizard is in front of the tunnel. So yeah, I think I might as well just kill myself. because you're not reaching here.
Okay, then why you just don't load back the safe?
They fighting? What they doing?
No. The green one? Oh, they are fighting. Hold on.
I wanna see who gonna win. I wanna see who gonna win.
I just hope not they don't come up here this thing.
Ooh,
Ah,
You better move.
the man tongue very very long, bro. Like he could grab it from all the way on the second screen. Tell you.
Okay, gone. Come.
you gotta tell me twice. Huzzah! I made it.
Is it raining? Yeah, it's about to rain.
Oh well, isn't that great? Bro, what the heck?
Is it top? Is it top?
I know, but I'm not getting it to go in. That's the thing. Where do you go now? On top there? Oh, there. Okay.
I thought there was another way to start coming. I'm gonna lie.
This is where we got
Alright.
to go big for the other shelter. They're not gonna attack us as they run in from their raid.
How far y'all are from him?
Far.
So basically y'all cannot make it here inside.
Run away, yeah. Run away. I dead.
Yeah, because you try for running the raid.
Man running, man go eat the arena run.
Alright.
Wait, if you stood there all the time, would the rain have affected you?
Oh, am I still alive?
Yeah, under shelter.
Okay.
The rain is so loud.
Yeah.
That's the loudest rain ever.
Now we got first of all that we karma up and then go to the next part.
Yeah.
Continue.
Try not to die, guys.
I got everybody just pick up a weapon. Let's just go.
You gotta equip yourself. You got the ops coming.
The ops outside.
I'm stuck.
What's this?
Yo, we can't go up because it got two lizards, so like they over there.
We don't know if they're still there.
That's where they live, bro. What do you mean you don't know if they're still there?
No, because every time me and Alfred plays, be different enemies in the area.
Yeah, it do be different enemies. Bro, why can't I go down?
How do you switch screens?
Damn, the man just gets stabbed.
No, it's a bird. Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's not delete that. How do you switch your screens? Oh, you got me!
No.
You got me!
Okay. Go down.
You gotta come down 5C.
Stop him! Stop him! Yeah!
Forget about me, Spear.
Hey, like,
don't
I just-
care about it. Why y'all fighting?
I tried to grab her out his mouth. And I forgot which button is to let go.
Bro,
Anyway.
that was a once in a lifetime scene because normally that would have happened.
And there, bro, you ever saw me and Mikael gameplay, bro? Bro, the thing threw bro off the cliff 2 times, dog, as I'm trying to save him. I got it.
Okay, collect a spear. Collect a spear.
You going back home?
Can you stop pushing me?
Okay. Jeez.
All up in my butt. Nonsense.
The hell,
This
bro?
nigga.
This is second time I sell the bag.
You're supposed to go up a little bit on the pole first. And then jump. Yeah, look at you.
Yeah, normally the one to happen, bro. Like I try to save Alpha tried to save me, and then I got pelt off.
I saved Mikael just to die right after. God, the thing dropped Mikael and picked me up.
Go, go. I think we just gotta release the control. Oh, now I decide to play nice. Oh, so we already killed the lizard. Look at the top right just now. I saw that I saw a lizard. It said that lizard died.
Good job, guys. Why did you steal my spear? Thank you.
Ooh,
Actually.
flower.
Good.
Alright, good. Now when we up the camera level, it won't go down.
If we die.
We could go up now. Oh, never mind.
Oh, wait, the thing is,
Yeah.
come. Good.
Okay. Wow.
You stole my spear.
Any suggestions, guys?
Wait, let me give you it back. Collect it back.
Do we go up?
We could go up and see. Because there's usually
Okay.
two. The man said collect back the spear and then he take it back again.
No, I didn't.
Don't trust men. That's a lesson.
Mikael, I don't know why you go up
No,
when I
didn't.
can only switch between me and Afif. Wow.
Okay, I didn't even meant to go up. I didn't even press the button for jump. Oh, food.
Ah,
Food.
Stop coming.
okay.
Run. You can't fight vultures the same way you would fight lizards.
Minky, but I know I safe.
Can I forget a little food and Afif keep blocking me, bro?
I'm sorry.
Are you though?
How you fight it?
It take a lot of spears to die.
Okay, so
I
Brave
think
do not-
Why y'all niggas blocking the pathway,
Okay,
bro?
one of y'all guard this side, the other one gonna guard this side.
y'all try that.
Hear you?
I'm trying to fight the vulture. Yeah, go.
Alfred, collect the food. I run out of weapons, Alfred.
Well, damn, ain't that something?
You grab it? Good. Alright, good. We get enough.
Why?
Wait. No.
My controls. Oh.
Oh, hell no.
Another one come. That's crazy.
Hell to the no, no.
That's what happened.
Oh, yeah.
Um.
Left me up there.
Well, funny thing about that. Oh, collect the food, you can collect that.
Run,
Shit.
go!
Wait. I couldn't make that.
Go back
Oh,
down,
shit.
Alfred. We don't need any more food.
Oh, thanks. I forgot enough back. Let's get that. Oh,
Food on me.
Oh, good. I got it. I have
Come
food.
back.
I have food.
Grabby. Somebody grab me.
I have food. We full.
I can't.
We full.
Why you take it from me?
oh, we full.
We full.
Let's go.
Not me
You
right
could
up there
make
trying to fight a
parties in the
vulture.
hilltop.
What I get is food even if I go up there, cause I still got nothing to get, man.
No,
Yeah,
try,
you
try,
could.
try. I like
Okay.
how I trying to fight the vulture and Alfred down there trying to eat.
Gotta work as a TM, bro.
This is what SpongeBob was singing about when he said teamwork.
Nice.
Not gonna lie, if it was a vulture, I would have cried.
But I didn't realize you pin the wings down the spear, so you could have killed it if you had like another spear.
Nah, Alfred.
I was trying to go to him to try to give him a spear, but I was too busy trying to get food, bro.
No, food was the important.
Priorities.
No, food was the important.
Eh.
So I actually don't disagree with you when you do there. Because what
So
was
we
it-
go now.
I'm a gateway at again. I think we might be.
Alright,
What
everybody,
happened?
let's go. Collect this rag. Everybody, let's go. Oh,
Let's-
look at
let's
food,
try
Look at food. Look at food.
It down there?
Yeah.
It actually down there. Okay.
I think I got it in my hand.
You pick it up?
Wait, no, it's
eat
not
it.
food.
Right
It's a
now.
brick. Oh, yeah, it's food. It's food.
No, no, it's a brick. It just yeah.
My boy just eat a brick.
Wait, let me go back. Let me go back up and see if we get any Search to you, Alfred. Oh no.
I don't think it's up there.
Oh, we gotta go one more level, right?
I think we should just go to the other place.
No, we gotta go one more level. We gotta go one more karma.
Let's go.
We can still go to the next save. Go to the next save.
Alright, good. Galang FIFA. Alright, it's done. We gotta go, right?
It's
You're so big and fat. God.
No,
we
you could've let
eating
one
good.
pop. You could let one away be a pop.
Mikael.
I come in.
Ow. Nigga.
Ah, shit.
Oh no.
Somebody.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Huh.
me, dog. Shit.
Okay then. Well, I got back upstairs. Yeah, but it is.
No,
That was something.
I get pushed off. I got pushed off and dead.
Any suggestions? What we do now?
Well, I could show you around since we dead anyways. There is a shelter this way, but I don't usually go to this one. Wait, where are we?
I wish I could help you, but I don't really know myself.
You could check the map.
Is the map? Okay. Is the map a check yet? But like me, you know what? For real?
No, check the in-game one. So you could know, so you could pinpoint where we at.
You're dead, my guy. I can't check the map.
Wait, once one person there, the map done? Shit.
So let's try not to die this time, guys.
Wait,
Get it, Mikael. Bro met like the word. You see, if it was just the red guy alone, I would have come and saved you. But it also had the green one there, so it's kind of like.
not even though they wasn't even fighting. Normally they would fight and give me a chance, right?
Go down.
It's Alfred I was waiting on.
Oh, y'all left me up here.
And like
That'll be
I was
fine.
definitely one female behind, but this is the only situation where you would want to be left behind because you know it's safe.
Yeah, unless something chasing me. Okay, so we already know
Hmm.
they got a bunch of lizards over here.
Collect the one. Collect the one.
Ow.
Collect the
I can't help but feel like dropped the fruit.
There is a lizard directly out here.
Alright. So, but let Alfred go and bait it since he get control of the camera.
Let's eat a rock. Anyway. What
You
happened?
cannot pick up the spear. You could
Afifa, go girl. You have the camera.
Alright, good.
What?
Go pick up the flower.
There's a flower.
I don't have the camera anymore, by the way.
You do have the camera.
Why wasn't it moving?
Hey.
Oh
Can I
no.
not
Okay.
have the camera?
Oh, they took it off just now.
Godspeed.
Yes, now.
Come on, Alfred. You could do it, Alfred. You could do
Bro.
it, Alfred.
The character wasn't going down, bro. Go true, go true.
By the way, those are mushrooms. You could eat them. This getting high though.
Oh.
The mushrooms over here?
Yeah,
Don't
this
eat
get you
it.
high.
Don't eat it.
What do you mean high?
That's what I mean. High. Can I jump on top of you? There's like a jump boost.
No, you can't.
I mean, technically you can.
Come quick, the man, for dead.
Alfred.
Come the man, Alfred.
Wait, where am I?
Oh,
Wait,
no!
Alfred! Alfred, fight it, Alfred, fight it.
Fight
I'm
what?
coming back.
I can't
Oh my
see.
god, I
I
don't.
can't see. I can't see.
People run well. People run well.
Alfred! Alfred!
I mean, you see,
Oh,
okay.
wait, please. No, I'm in the open. No, Alfred. Alfred.
Come back down.
Is
I
where it's not
can't
here? Make where you're going is not here?
Yeah, but I can't come back.
What?
I can't come back.
Go down.
Yeah.
Go down.
The fact that Miguel's still alive is the amazing thing to me.
Alfred, I almost sell the whole claim.
Go. Go.
Actually,
Go on, no man, go. Woman, go.
I'm
gone. It's you.
Go on, no man. Oh, shucks, y'all just dead. Shucks, man. I try to get somebody killed. We get full food, right?
Oh, come on.
Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Oh,
Dead. I'm dead.
Okay.
I'm dead.
you ain't dead. Surprisingly enough.
I don't
It's because it thrown in the
I
thing.
don't me on. I don't
Bro, I can't even, I can't even switch to you to see funny thing about it. Maybe Afifa could
Oh,
switch to you, but
stop.
I can't switch to you. Don't go up. Woman, why you going up there for? Oh, you never mind. I
That's why
dead.
I went up.
I dead. They got me.
alive. I literally still
Afifa.
alive right now.
Afifa, help me. Pull me
How
out
I
the
can help
motors.
you?
What do you mean how? Woman.
I gotta do
Bro, I died.
Come back to me.
How
Afifa.
did-
Come back to me.
How make it even alive is what I wanna know.
I did know.
Yeah, I can't switch to Miguel. What somebody else got? Maybe it's like, I don't know. A good job making that jump, by the way.
Well,
Oh, at least I remember this place.
I straight up got abandoned, dog.
Bro, you're the one who wanted to run in the wrong direction.
Bro,
you see all of us running to the right. Why would you
And he
go
ran to the
in
left.
opposite
it was
direction?
blocking me. It was literally blocking me. Like, if I had
Oh,
gone
it
there,
was-
I would have dead sooner.
Kill issue.
Thing was like, where you think you going, dog? You ain't going nowhere.
And they try to speed run this, guys. Come on.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Check me hunger, check me hunger. Okay.
We'll be fine.
We dead this time, then we gonna eat it. But for now, we just going.
No, we're just eating one alone. One time alone we eating. What the hell?
We can't even go down, bro.
Alright, good. Somebody eat, somebody eat.
We going back to sleep?
No.
No.
Let's
We're
go.
going to the new area.
We didn't make-
It makes a lot of. Oh shoot.
Hello. Okay.
Alright, that's what we're doing then.
Let's go.
Go down now.
Come quick.
I can't go down. Go down.
I love these green lizards. They're so stupid. Oh,
Huh?
I like how you said that.
no, those are teal lizards. There's a difference.
And we're gonna fight one now.
Oh hell nah. No, we are not. No, we are not.
Oh, she gone back.
Yeah, but she's right outside the pipe.
We don't know that for real. Why doesn't the map show up?
I think Alfred get control of the map.
Open the map, Alfred.
I don't even know which button gives me the map if I have it.
L. Hold on L.
Bro, who the heck has L?
Hold on L. Yeah.
Okay, hold it down. Alright, let's go.
Alright, come. We gotta make this quick before one of them come back.
They're right there.
I can't even make it. That's
Alright, Alfred, you're slowing up progress, you know. Alright, let's go.
yeah, I got plans. Huh?
Yeah.
So this is plan. Okay.
Pick these up, and we're gonna throw them. Because they're scared of the noise. This
I
is
got
how
one.
I just get through here.
Yeah. Come.
We can't do nothing about the vultures. But we could get rid of the lizards.
So
Alright. Oh! Run. Come.
Throw it.
I can't trick you in
No,
my
don't
way
try
out.
it. Don't try it. Ignore the lizard. Don't try it yet. Just come down. Alfred gone a different way. It's
Well,
fine.
yeah, cause you went blocking me.
It's fine. The lizards are scared of the vultures.
But
So there's so many.
So are we?
Okay, come quick.
come on, run for it.
Come in. Alright, good. Let's go. Yeah, there's gonna be a purple lizard here. Come up. It's not
I really done.
right? Why
Oh,
would you
Mika.
do that?
Mikael,
And then when he dead, he gonna complain. Wait,
yeah,
what
this
was
went
that?
back the other.
Oh,
Forget you.
I'm here.
what is
What is
that?
that thing?
Why is that
What
there?
is that? What?
Oh, it does something else.
So what do we do now?
Come here.
One drop and this is it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
try
I'm
to get that
trying to
other.
jump up, Miguel. Yeah, I'm trying to.
You got to turn around.
Come quickly, because a vulture could come and get you.
Oh, this just keep
Shelter
getting
like
better and
right
better.
here. There's a shelter like right here. If we get in here, we good. Oh, Fred.
Bro.
Okay,
Ah, yeah, let's do
finally,
it.
bro. Finally.
Come on, Miguel. Come on.
It,
Okay. About damn
All right.
time.
Good job, team. Good job, team.
yep. We did really good.
We managed to make it.
This is 10 times easier with people.
At least you know.
10 times funnier
That
too.
whole piece, I think, in my opinion, out of the regions, like up until Shaded Citadel, this region is the hardest one. And it's purely because of that piece down there with all them
This-
lizards and
I like
vultures.
how Afifa didn't take up a single spear, bro. That's crazy, right?
I mean, most of the
Look,
time
I got
it's
the
me and
spear.
you fighting. It's me and you the Z running.
I spear some lizards.
No, what means
I
that?
just
Okay, yes,
shoot
Afifa.
stuff.
No, what means that?
Bro stole my spear because I told her she ain't got one.
So these things
Crazy.
can take your spear anyways. So,
Yeah, we
but it's fine.
There-
The shot like right there. Just don't attack them. Don't attack them. Just go. Just go. You could eat the thing. Okay, let's eat.
I can't eat.
I throw the spear, not gonna lie.
Okay, I'm gonna eat. Okay, good.
Surprisingly, it didn't take my spear.
How do you know? Wait, where are you guys going?
In there.
Bro, don't say in there like it's supposed to be like it's
Okay.
like it's easy.
I don't think we're the right karma level. Oh, we are.
Never doubt me. Never doubt me, Antonio.
Come just now.
No, we're just saying, I don't think we're the right karma level, but we were.
You know, it's funny. I gotta go and do something.
I gotta go and eat. I ain't eat dinner yet.
Well, I mean, we're here. We could sleep and save, and then you guys can go eat and do whatever.
We get enough food? Oh, we do.
This feels refreshing that we made it past the area
I
of
actually
Red.
should go eat as well because I haven't eaten dinner.
Well, I don't know about that, yeah, but I'm not gonna be gone for that long.
No, I can be.
This is look to the moons.
I mean, we could stay here, right? I could stay here and eat, right? But the only thing is that, like, Afifa is the rope. Ooh, you could just pelt it and climb up, nice.
Yeah.
I mean, if we could.
Wait,
be
you didn't know that?
Pardon?
Somebody pause.
That?
Somebody pause again.
Okay.
Alright, we could.
I gotta come back.
We could come back in like
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
30?
15.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Like get back control of my PC so that I can actually watch YouTube. Alright, good. See y'all just now, guys. You seeing WhatsApp by chance of FIFA? Oh right, the video still recorded.